Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be installing the side skirts here from SuperAutoUSA that match the front lip that I had previously installed in the car. And they have also sent the matching rear spats. These all have the winglets on them, upper and lower, just like the front lip did, so they all match and tie in together. So looking forward to getting them on and see how they look. I wasn't sure about this winglet design on the front lip, but once I got it on, I really liked it. It looked even better on the car than it did when I was just kind of looking at the part. So looking forward to getting these on and tying everything together. And this is what I'm gonna take down and have on the car when I go down to Toyota Fest this year. So we'll see what everybody's reactions are to it down there and what they think, because I've not really seen anybody else with this yet. So let's get to taking off the screws from this one, and then we'll go ahead and screw this one up into place. And that is that. So, okay. Now before I put this on, I just want to kind of clean up this whole area and underneath it and stuff, because this one actually wraps up and around this lip just a little bit. So I want to wash that off real quick. Let me give you an idea here. So you can kind of see this lip right here. So that's going to go up and over the OEM edge. And so it will sit just like that. So yeah, and it's going to look sharp. Sharp, sharp, sharp. So I already have a bunch of holes here for screw placement. There we go. I'm going to go through and screw every other one in. It's gonna look good. Gonna look good. You literally cannot see the holes without the flashlight. It's so dark up there, black on black. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. I do like the way it comes up just over that edge there too, just to protect it. This is really cool. Like I said, I wasn't sure when I first saw it, and it's really grown on me. Really grown on me, man. And just the simple fact of being a poly, I mean, it's firm, but there is some flex in it. Now the only thing to do is to put some more of the screws in that they're allotted for. But it is on. Let me show you a quicker view. So, yeah. See there? I like it. And now it ties in nicely with the front piece. Wow. I like it, guys. I like it a lot. now, once we get the rear spat put on right here, then that's the wrong side, but but once I get that put on there, it's we'll really see things get tied together. The rear spats install just like the ones that are on there now. So they use 2 clips here that are already there, and then this one here. So all of those are OEM clips, and then they've got a place for 4 additional screws. So these don't take but a few minutes to put on. So here it is installed. It is interesting. It stops just a little bit short here. It doesn't come all the way to the end. If you look at these, you can see how it comes all the way wrapped around right to that end, so it follows that line down. I thought that was kind of interesting. So we'll pop this one off and put this side on. I'll be interested to see what it looks like as I lower it, you know, kind of from a normal position. So I want you to know to have spare clips, like these clips, because this is what happens a lot, where the heads just break, they get brittle and they break off. So a lot of times I have to replace them. On the other side, I replaced all 3 of them. So have spare clips and have a variety, because these things being plastic just dry out, get brittle, and snap and break. I don't know why we can't have the good old days where we had screws. Here's what it looks like underneath. I reused a couple of screws. They're a little surface rusty, but they're fine. So there's 3 screws holding it in. I thought that this was a hole right here for a clip, but the clip is over here and it doesn't go that far, so I just replaced the clip. On the previous one, it came all the way through, and this went through the spat also. And then I replaced the 2 forward clips too. So, but it's on there. You can get a good shot of it. So only 1 to go. Got the left side skirt to replace, and that's it. Well, see, all that effort for nothing. I didn't reverse this. And just like that. This side is also on. Very nice. Now everything is tied together for this kit. I like it. This was very easy to install. If you want a kit that has a little give because of the poly nature of it, so there's a little bit of flex to it, then this is a good one, and check it out. And especially if you like the winglets, you know, since this has the winglets all the way around, and they're built in, so it's not like they're bolted on and they look like an addition. So that is a nice thing about this. So if you have any questions or comments, guys, please holler, reach out to me. And I sure would appreciate to continued support. If you'd subscribe, if you don't already subscribe, like, comment, share, you know, all that good stuff that the algorithm likes. And so until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.